Hey guys, my name is Pim Binning and this is a short video providing you with more information about becoming a driving instructor. Firstly, to become a qualified driving instructor, you have to pass 3 tests. These are known as the ADI Parts 1, 2 and 3. The Part 1 is a theory test which consists of multiple choice questions and hazard perception clips. The Part 2 is a test of your driving ability, and this test lasts around 1 hour and the examiner will expect a good standard of driving. The final test, which is the Part 3 test, is a test of your ability to instruct. This is where you'll carry out a driving lesson with a pupil whilst the examiner assesses from the back seat. The examiner will be looking at your teaching techniques and quality of instruction. Obviously, a good standard of training is required to get through the tests, and here at DGN we provide you with all the training and tools to help you pass all of the tests. Whilst training for the Part 3 test, the DVSA issues a trainee license, and this allows you to start working as a driving instructor and teach learner drivers. This will help you gain valuable experience and earn money whilst training. We will provide you with everything you need: the car, insurance, and all the pupils required to fill your diary. And if you're wondering about how much you'll be earning, after taking out their expenses, our instructors are averaging around £700 minimum weekly. These figures are based on just 15 90-minute driving lessons, which are easily achievable within a week. To train as a driving instructor, most training providers will charge a large upfront fee, but at DGN, our training fee is £750, which is split into 3 payments of £250, so you don't have to pay in one go. And like I mentioned earlier, you will make that back as soon as you start teaching on a trainee license. And that's why this is such an amazing offer. If you are serious about becoming a driving instructor, then you can get started with our driving instructor starter pack for just £29. This includes a step-by-step guide to help you with the application, the highway code and know your traffic signs booklets, and 6 months access to the Driving Test Success online theory training platform. So you'll have everything to apply and begin the process and prepare for the Part 1, which is your theory test. To get the starter pack, visit this link, which is www.dgndraiving.co.uk/offers/driving-instructor-pack/. Please only apply if you're serious about becoming an instructor, as we have limited spaces and only take on a few instructors at a time to ensure quality training. Thanks a lot for watching the video.